Good morning everyone, this is Jaivala Rao once again saying hello to all of you all. As you all know, I am the class teacher of Senior KGB. Last time when we all met, we learnt a new word family. Do you all remember which word family that was? Correct! It was the 80 word family. And now do you all remember the words from the 80 word family? Let's recall them quickly. Ready? Alright. The first word, correct, B at a bat, K at a cat, F at a fat, H at a hat, M at a mat, P at a bat, R at a rat, and S at a sat. Very good children, you remember all your 80 words. Now today we are going to meet a new word family. Are you all excited to meet it? Yes? Yes? Come on, let's go meet the AB word family.
So, are you all excited to learn about the AB word family? First, let's begin by sounding out the letters A and B. What sound does the letter A make? A. And B? B. So, A and B together make the sound A, B. Now, what would the word be if we put a letter C in front? Can we sound this out? K, A, B. K, A, B. Cab. Very good. And what is a cab? The taxi that we see on our roads. The other name for it is cab. K-A-B, cab. Now next, what would the word be if we put the letter D in front? Let's sound them out. The a b, the a b, the a b, dab. Very good. Just like the dabbers we use in class to make our pictures beautiful, correct? Okay, now let's see what the next word of the family is. Oh, what would happen if we put the letter F in front of AB? P, A, B, F, A, B, fab, fabulous. Fab is a short form for fabulous, right? Don't we all feel fab today? Yes, we do. Next, what would the word be if we put the letter G in front? Let's see. Are you all ready to sound this word out? Yeah? G, A, B, G, A, B, G, A, B, cab. Just like all the chatter that we have in class today, correct? With our friends. Very good, children. Now the next one I want y'all to try. What would the word be if we put the letter J in front? Come on, sound it out, children. J, A, B. Jab. Just like poking someone and irritating them. Next, what would the word be if we put the letter L in front of it? Come on, children, sound out this word. L, A, B. L, A, B. Lab. Very nice. The place from where all our chemistry and STEM experiments come from. Yes? Very good. Now next, what would the word be if we put the letter N in front? N, A, B. N, A, B. Nab. Oh, just like the policeman catching the criminal. Nab. Next, what would happen if we put the letter T in front? T, A, B. T apple. T apple. Tab. Now what is a tab? Oh, it's the index in a book. Yes, can you see that? Very good, children. I hope you had fun meeting all our AB family words. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for many more videos like this. Activity sheet, if any, can be downloaded from the link provided below.
This is Joy Balan signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School.